Welcome back to my YouTube channel, dolls. My name is KKsw Giselle. If you're joining me for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and please don't forget to like the video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. I see you guys commenting, liking the videos and subscribing, and I really appreciate it. And I really like doing this content for you guys, so I just want you to know that I am truly appreciative of you all. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this reverse smoky eye. If you guys know me, you know that I absolutely love and live for this eye makeup. This eye makeup is such a nice signature look and it's so easy to do, and I wanted to do a video where I just show you guys how I do it, because I always do it a lot on my Instagram and social media, and I just thought I may as well just do a tutorial on how I achieved it in case someone wants to try this out. I just think it's the perfect cat smoky eye to literally incorporate if you are going for a date night, or if you're just going out in the night time and you just want a nice signature look that's going to take your makeup from basic to literally ready for your night out. So I really hope you guys enjoy it, and I will list the products that I've used in the description box below. I really hope you enjoy it, and let's get into today's video. Eyeshadow color that I'm going in is the shade Don't Move. It's a very light brown, and I just thought that it would complement the eye by adding a bit of warmth. So that's what I'm going in with a nice blending brush. After that, I move on to applying again a further color, which just creates much more depth and a bit of a really nice warmer undertone to the eye. It is like sort of undertone of a reddish sort of brown, so I just felt like it really complemented this eye makeup very well, since it is a very, you know, dark eye makeup. I just thought that adding these colors of these shades of brown just brings out the eye even more and just creates a nice canvas as well, ready for that eye makeup. So guys, once I'm finished with the brown eyeshadow, I move on to the main color of this reverse smoky eye, and it is in the shade Onyx from the palette Lash Splash Cosmetics. And I really like to use this eyeshadow because it's a matte black eyeshadow. What I find with this makeup look is that using a very matte eyeshadow that doesn't sort of have any shimmer, that doesn't move, is going to be what you are going to want to use for this eye makeup. So what I do is I first apply it into my inner tear duct area, just to sort of create like an illusion of a cat eye. And then what I do is I then move the product and fill it in into the outer part of the eye and then the midsection of the eye. And it's just to create an illusion of a cat eye. I don't drag out the eyeshadow too much, I just drag it enough to sort of create a subtle sort of cat eye, but then I just sort of fill it in as I go, as you guys can probably see. It's just all about taking your time, and using a flat brush really helps because you're able to angle the brush into your eyelid and waterline area. That's what I like to do, is just focusing on filling that waterline nice and carefully. Take your time. It's a very easy makeup look to do, but taking your time makes it worth the while. So that's what I am basically doing, and just filling in the gaps basically. By the way guys, I do line my top eyelid area just slightly at the outer part of the eye. This just helps to define the cat eye even more, so that's what I'm doing, as you guys can see. Once that's done, I take a blending brush to really smudge out that black eyeshadow on the lower lash eye. It just looks nice, so that's what I'm doing with this brush here. Then I go in with my mascara, of course, and the mascara that I'm using is the Legendary Lashes Volume 2 from Charlotte Tilbury. This is my favorite mascara at the moment. And then I apply my eyelashes off camera, and that is basically the eye makeup. It's really simple and it's really nice signature makeup look to do, and I think it complements everybody's eyes, if I should say so myself. I really enjoyed creating this eye makeup for you guys. I also hope that you also enjoyed watching it as well. Please don't forget to comment my video, and also like the video and share the video with your friends, your family, your loved ones. I really appreciate your support, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye dolls. Bye dolls.